Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Civivi Baklash here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty inexpensive knife from Civivi. It's gonna cost you around $90 for the Damascus version. It's made in China, it's a liner lock, overall size is 8.10 inches. When closed, this guy is 4.6 inches long. The handle materials are G10, the scales are G10, with this pretty nice finish, nice grippy, nice drop point blade. I really appreciate the design of this blade right over here, 3.5 inch long, beautiful hollow grind, guys, and with a nice mirror polish finish. The sound this guy makes is this one. So it's very, I would say, anonymous. It's not something you're gonna recognize by a distance, but it's pleasant. I mean, it's not obnoxious whatsoever. The overall weight in the pocket is gonna be 3.88 ounces. It has a stainless steel blacked out deep carry pocket clip with you know, a nice matte finish to it. I'm assuming it's gonna scratch pretty easily though. The grip in the hand is very nice. There's just a little bit of hot spot over here going on. You have some nice jimping over here on the blade and a little bit over here for the liner lock to disengage the lock bar. So overall the action is pretty smooth, I have to say. I needed to tune it up a little bit because it was not the best right out of the box, but overall it's pretty decent. I mean, for the price, this guy is running on bearings, and it's not gonna leave you disappointed. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.